We all know breakfast is the most important meal of the day, right guys? The simple breakfast recipes are perfect for busy mornings. You can never go wrong by starting the day with a good breakfast. If you're on the hunt for a good on-the-go breakfast, or maybe you're after something a little more flexible than a standard omelette, then these egg wraps are for you. Use this as a replacement for regular tortillas and wraps. Just fill in, fold, and roll. So tara, I'll show you how. Here are the ingredients. First, beat eggs with milk in a small bowl. Add salt and pepper to taste and whisk until fully combined. Let's heat 1 teaspoon oil in a small non-stick skillet over medium heat. And now let's add the egg mixture and swirl the pan around to form a full circle. Let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Gently flip over to cook on the other side and cook another 30 to 60 seconds. And now this is done, let's transfer the egg to a plate to cool and then repeat with the remaining mixture. Once you've got your egg wraps made and ready to go, the rest is smooth sailing. Let's start by chopping some of our ingredients: the bell pepper, cilantro, green onions, and avocado. Next, let's fry some turkey bacon for our filling. Use your favorite bacon if you like. Fry until crispy and set aside. And now let's make our kale filling. Let's add 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan and saute the bell pepper. And now let's add the kale. Let's add in the cilantro and green onions. Let's add salt to taste. Let's squeeze some lemon juice and sprinkle some toasted sesame seed. This is done. Let's off the heat and we're ready to wrap. Lay the egg wrap out on the flat surface and add our kale filling, avocado, bacon, a little bit of cheese over the top of the filling, and then roll up. If you're worried about the wraps opening up after they are rolled, secure the ends with a couple of toothpicks to keep closed. Repeat with the remaining egg wraps. Enjoy your breakfast! Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed watching my videos, then make sure you subscribe. Please hit the like and notification bell so you don't miss a single video. See you soon in my next video. God bless.